students, good morning. This is your social study class now. Students, today we are going to do revision work on MCQ. Last day we did up to question 15. 1 to 15 we have completed. Today we will start from 16. Let us read the questions. Number 11. Oh, we have completed up to 1 to 10 we have completed. Today we will start from 11. Okay? So, we read story books in this room. Which room? Which room? In which room we read story book? In the school? Everything about school. Okay? This is about school. So, in the library room, we read in the library room the story book, or you can say the knowledge book. All this we read in library room. So put a tick mark on C. Next, 12. We practice singing and dancing in this room. In which room? The options are A. Classroom, B. Sick room, C. Music room. Then what is the answer? Yes, it is music room. Again put a tick mark on C. Music room. 13. We rest here when we fell ill, sick. The question is, we rest here when we fall sick. What will be the answer? First we will read the options. A sick room. A is sick room, B is reception hall, C classroom. When we fall sick, where we go? In school? In which room we go? Yes, that is sick room. A. Sick room. Number 14. We visit here to learn computer application. A. Classroom, B. Computer lab, C. Music room. I am repeating the question. We visit here to learn computer application. Computer application, that means the answer will be B. Computer lab. Okay? Put a tick mark on computer lab. Now 15. A person who maintains the register for visitors. A person who maintains the register for visitors. The options are a teacher. A is teacher, B librarian, C watchman. Whose duty it is? Watchman's duty. That means C. Put a tick mark on C. Okay? So students, we have completed up to 15. Now we are going to practice true or false. Okay? You have to answer in true or false. You have to put a tick mark there. For true, you will put a tick mark on true, or for false, you will put a tick mark on false. Okay? Let us read the questions. First, instruction. Reading of instruction is very important. What is the type of question that you can understand by reading the instructions? State true or false. 1. We enjoy many activities in school. A. True, B. False. Yes, trues. Beside learning to read and write, you learn many activities in the school like music, dance, allocations, all this. Number 2. Our parents deposit our school fees too. Options are to the class teacher. I am repeating the question. Our parents deposit our school fees to the class teachers. Is that true? No, this is false. You will put a tick mark on B. False. 3. The watchman keeps the stranger away. True or false? Then it is true. You will put a tick mark on true. 4. A school that has classes from 1st to 10th is called a secondary school. Options are A, true, B, false. What you will do? Put a tick mark on A, true. A school that has class from the 1st to 10th is called secondary school. Our school is a senior secondary school, not secondary. 1 to 12. The school has 1 to 12. So, we say Kalyani Public School is a senior secondary school. Right? Number 5. Sometime librarian tells stories to students. Is that true or false? Yes, it is true. Put a tick mark on A. True. Number 6. The receptionist sits in the office of the school. True or false? False. Receptionist sits in the where she sits? In the reception hall or in the reception room. Okay. Number 7. We learn only to read and write in the school. No. The answer will false. We learn read and write. We learn to read and write as well as we learn so many different activities in the school. Okay. So you will put a tick mark on false. 8. We visit the canteen to wash our hands. Is that true? For washing hand, where we go? We go to washroom. No? So the answer is false. B, false. Put a tick mark on B. 9. Our school is having its own buses. That is true. Yes. Put a tick mark on true. A, true. Our school is having its own buses. True. 10. You should obey your teachers and be polite to them. You should obey your teachers and be polite to them. The options are A, true, B, false. What you will do? B, false. No, you must obey your teachers and be polite to them. This is true. So, put a tick mark on A. So, students, this is that is all we have done today, and tomorrow I will come with more and more exercises. Till then, goodbye.